Okay, December 12th, 2024, we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of this MrHeater Contractor Series 30 to 60,000 BTU propane heater. We will be getting it. Heats up to 1,500 square foot. That's, I'm sure, with 8-foot ceiling. Up to 14 hours, that would probably be on the 30,000 BTU. 20-pound, at least a 20-pound minimum tank, variable rate. Okay, that's just repeating the other stuff in Spanish. So we will be unboxing, taking it out and getting it cranked up here shortly. So we'll be looking for the longer video.